Hello everyone, it's me 8116 Siddhant, and today I am going to present my social project on My Country, My Pride. My country is officially known as Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal. Nepal is a mountainous country which lies on the lap of Himalayas. My country is a landlocked country which is situated between two giant nations, that is India and China. It lies completely in the northern hemisphere whose latitude is 26 degree 22 north to 30 degree 27 north, and longitude is 80 degree 4 east to 88 degree 12 east. The total land area of Nepal is 1,47,181 square kilometer. It has covered 0.3% of the total area of Asia and 0.03% of the total area of the earth. According to the census of 2068 BS, the total population of Nepal is 2,64,94,504, where 1,29,27,431 are males and 1,36,93,378 are females. The literacy rate of Nepal is 65.9%, where 75.1% is for males and 57.4% is for females. Nepal is about 500 kilometers away from its nearest sea, that is Bay of Bengal. The river Mechi separates Nepal from India in the east, and the river Mahakali demarcates Nepal in the west from India. Nepal is divided into three geographical regions. They are Himalayan, Hilly and Tarai regions. Himalayan, Hilly and Tarai regions cover 15%, 68% and 17% of the total area of Nepal respectively. Nepal is a multi-religious, multilingual, multi-ethnic and multicultural country with geographical diversity, but all the people of Nepal are well united by the bond of allegiance to the national independence, territorial integrity, national interest and prosperity of Nepal. Social life of Nepal. Himalayan region. The Himalayan region lies in the northern part of Nepal. The climatic condition of Himalayan region is extreme bitter cold, so the people living in this region wear thick woolen clothes like baku, pangden, docha, sweater, etc. Major caste ethnic groups residing in this region are Sherpas, Bhotias, Thakalis, Gurus, Tamangs, etc. As the climate of this region is extreme cold, people of this region eat dindo, jant, meat and dairy products in order to keep their body warm. Hilly region. Hilly region lies in the middle part of Nepal. The climate of this region is moderate, neither too cold nor too hot. Major caste ethnic groups residing in this region of Nepal are Rais, Limbus, Nevars, Magars, Tamangs, Gurungs, etc. Brahmins and Kshetris are found residing across the hilly region of our country. Different ethnic groups have their own traditional dresses. However, mostly men wear daura, sulwar, topi, bhoto, kachhad, short pants, while women wear gunyo, cholo, majitro, lungi, patuka, kurta, salwar, etc. Tarai region. Tarai region lies in the southern part of Nepal. The climate of this region is hot and dry. It becomes too hot during summer season. However, plenty of rainfalls take place in this region during monsoon season. The people living in this region experience tolerable cold during winter season. Usually, the residents of this region wear light cotton clothes. Men wear dhoti, kurta, ganji, gamsa, towel, short pants, white, while women wear the clothes like sari, blouse, kurta, salwar, etc., along with gold and silver ornaments like anklet, necklace, nosepin, hairpin, etc. Major caste ethnic groups residing in this region are Yadav, Shah, Jha, Rajbanshi, etc. The common languages that they speak are Maithili, Bhojpuri, Tharu, etc. The soil of this region of Nepal is alluvial and fertile. Tarai region is densely populated region of Nepal and it is also called as food basket of Nepal. Now let's move ahead towards natural and cultural beauties of Nepal. Though Nepal is small in size, it is very rich in natural and cultural beauties. So many natural and cultural heritages are found in Nepal, which make it unique and popular in all over the world. Nepal is the land where the highest peak of the world, Mount Everest, is located. Mount Everest gives the identity of every Nepalese in all over the world. Some of the examples of natural heritages of Nepal are Sagarmatha National Park, Chitwan National Park, Fevala Lake, Mahendra Cave, Rara Lake, etc. The properties made by our ancestors, which represent our culture and tradition, are called cultural heritages. There are so many cultural heritages in Nepal which attract thousands and thousands of visitors and tourists to our country Nepal. They are our identity. Some of the examples of the cultural heritages of Nepal are Janki Temple, Pasupati Nath Temple, Swambhu Nath Temple, Changu Narayan Temple, Lumbini area, Patan Dabar Square, etc. Because of these things, I feel proud to be a Nepalese. I feel very proud when somebody asks me that what is your nationality. I feel proud to say that I am Nepalese. So I also think that all the Nepalese people also feel proud by themselves to be a Nepalese. Thank you. It's me 8116 Siddhant. Thank you.